fire burns bright. Its flames are dancing, casting their light. Each one flickers, each one unique. Together they warm the weary and weak. A traveler came, his heart unsure. Why do these flames not burn as one pure? Their dances differ, their rhythms stray. Shouldn't they burn in a single way? Oh, the flames of heaven dance as they're made, each one shining, each unafraid. Together they burn a radiant glow, a fire of love that the world will know. Let your flame rise, gentle or bold, for the keeper's fire is a beauty untold. Keeper smiled and softly replied, the beauty of fire is in what's inside. Each flame burns with its purpose true. Together they shine a light for you. The traveler sat and felt the heat, warmth of the flames, their rhythm sweet. He marveled at their harmony, a fire of love, a mystery. Oh, the flames of heaven dance as they're made, each one shining, each unafraid. Together they burn a radiant glow, a fire of love that the world will know. Let your flame rise, gentle or bold, for the keeper's fire is a beauty untold. Some flames leap high, lighting the way. Others burn softly, chasing shadows away. Each has its purpose, each has its place. Together they shine with the keeper's grace. The weak and small, the flickering light. The keeper tends them through the night. He shields them gently, feeds their glow, until their strength begins to show. The disciples asked, why burn so apart? Wouldn't one steady flame be a better start? Jesus smiled, his words were clear. The fire's beauty is in what's here. Some flames lead, some comfort and heal. Each one burns with a purpose real. Do not envy another's light, for your flame was made to shine just right. Oh, the flames of heaven dance as they're made, each one shining, each unafraid. Together they burn a radiant glow, a fire of love that the world will know. Let your flame rise, gentle or bold, for the keeper's fire is a beauty untold. The fire burns a beacon of grace, its warmth and light fill every space. Each flame a gift, each light divine. Together they glow with a love that shines. Oh, the flames of heaven dance as they're made, each one shining, each unafraid. Let your light